Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Peace be upon you all and welcome to the channel. In this short video, I would like to show you this table that I found on the internet. It is quite useful if you would like to summarize which member receives the particular or is capable of receiving a particular access specifier. So as you can see, we have classes, the main classes, the nested classes, constructors, method, and fields. And from what you can see here, everything can be either private, default, also known as package or package private, protected, and public, except classes, the main classes. They can either be default or package and public only. They cannot be protected, nor can they be private. And that is it for this video. And the upcoming video, bi'idhnillah and God willing, we will tackle how we can use constructors with the various access specifiers. We covered, for methods and fields, they are both the same, and we covered that long ago. I will see if there is a need to cover it in nested classes or not, though it will be somewhat similar to constructors, but I wanted to record the lecture for the constructors nonetheless. Perhaps we can add this in the far future, bi'idhnillah and God willing, considering that the scope of this tutorial keeps expanding by the lecture. I hope this video was helpful and beneficial to you all. Enjoy the rest of your day, everyone. Be safe, take care, and peace be upon you all. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.